Quickly, I want to show you how you can record your screen using this website. Just go to this website. Maybe I will leave the link in the description of this video, and simply sign up. You can sign up with your email address, and once you have signed up, you go to login and log in. For me, I'm going to log in with my Gmail. Okay, now I have logged in with my Gmail. So if I want to record my screen now, let's say I want to do something and send it to somebody. I want to create a video of what is happening on my screen. What I will do is I will simply click on new record. I'm not going to do this. I'll simply click on this, use on web for now, then click on it. For now, we don't want to use our camera, so I'm going to turn off the camera. We'll click allow, but let's click allow while using. Let's see if we can off this. We don't want to use camera for now, so no camera. Then this is our voice. This is the screen record. Then let's tap record. Just 5 minutes record. Okay, so here I'm going to select entire screen. You can select window. You want to select window, then you select a particular window you are, but the best is entire screen, so that whatever you are doing on the screen, you are not going to have issue. But sometimes if you select window, you could be having some challenges, especially as a beginner. You need to select entire screen. Okay, then you need to turn this one on. And once you turn all this one on, you select this one, then you now click share. So if you click share now, you see it's counting now. It has started recording. So if I go to type something now, let's say I type how to screen record. You can see what I'm typing now. Whatever you are doing on another window, it will video it. Okay, so now you can't do more than 5 minutes. Let me stop it. So I've stopped it. Let me minimize what I was doing before. So this is the video. Let me play the video so that you see. It has started recording. So if I go to type something now, let's say I type how to, you can see what I'm typing. Whatever you are doing on another. Okay, good. So now we have been able to record our screen. Let's save it. Okay, so I have saved it, and this is it here. So as it is now, you can decide to share it with somebody. If you click on this share button, you see that the link is copied, so you can share the link with somebody else, and the person will be able to view it. And if you want to download it, I think you can download it. Let's see how we can download it. Let me open it. So this is the download button. You can simply click on this and download it. Okay, so that is how you can record your screen fast.